Hello, condo owners. Today we're demystifying a material that's been a mainstay in architecture for centuries, a versatile material that's been gracing the exteriors of buildings worldwide. We're talking about stucco cladding. Stucco is a type of plaster composed of cement, sand, and lime. It's applied in several layers over a supporting structure, usually lath work or masonry. When hardened, it forms a durable, attractive, and weather-resistant finish, a choice of builders and homeowners alike. Now, there are several types of stucco finishes, each with its unique attributes. Let's take a closer look. First, we have traditional stucco. This is your classic mix of sand, cement, and lime. Known for its durability and breathability, traditional stucco is a good fit for climates with moisture concerns. It's a time-tested material, but it's a bit more prone to cracking than some newer materials. Next, we have acrylic or synthetic stucco. Unlike traditional stucco, it's a finish made from synthetic materials. It's more flexible than traditional stucco, which helps resist cracking, and it's available in a broad spectrum of colors. Then we have EIFs, or exterior insulation and finish systems. This is a multi-layered stucco system that includes insulation. Known for their energy efficiency, EIF systems need careful installation to prevent moisture problems. Each type has its strengths and challenges, and the best one for your building will depend on factors like climate, aesthetics, and maintenance needs. Stucco has many advantages, making it a great choice for condo buildings. It's long-lasting, with a lifespan that can stretch up to 50 years or more with proper care. It's fire-resistant, providing an extra layer of safety for your building. Its insulating properties can contribute to keeping your condo cozy, regardless of the weather outside. Moreover, stucco can be painted or tinted to change its color, offering an opportunity to give your building a fresh look without a massive renovation project. It's also resistant to both rot and fire, and can even help insulate a building against noise. But remember, no material is perfect, and stucco has its challenges too. It's susceptible to moisture damage if not properly installed and maintained. In regions with significant ground movement, it may not be the best choice, as it can crack over time. In our future videos, we'll delve deeper into these types of stucco, their specific uses, and how to maintain them to extend their lifespan and keep your building looking its best. So stay tuned. Until then, remember to explore, learn, and grow. Your building is not just a place to live, but a canvas to express your style and creativity. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. So whether you're a condo owner looking to participate more in your community, a board member seeking to stay ahead of the curve, or someone simply interested in the world of condominiums, we're here for you. All set to join us? Just tap the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Welcome to Condo Solutions, your partner in mastering the art of condo living. Let's make condominium living not just good, but truly exceptional.